All right, Monday, October the 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I think what is my favorite month of the year has arrived. I love the month of October, and we really just in time for the arrival of October got some excellent fall weather conditions in place over the weekend and some more really nice weather to go over the next few days as well. And there's a look early this morning during the 5 a.m. hour from our Greensboro Tower camera. All is quiet. Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera looking toward Bank of America Stadium. Hey, how about those Panthers? Big win on the road in Foxborough yesterday. Taking down the Patriots. Looking good in the Queen City this morning. And finally, we'll also take a look up in the high country. Let's see. Let me kick that camera into gear here for you. There's the Blowing Rock camera from our friends there at resortcams.com. And it's a pretty cool morning for this Monday all across the region. Let's start off in the mountains. We'll take some of these mountain temperatures. 40s widespread, some 30s mixed in here and there, depending on where you look. Up there in the North Carolina mountains, just a really cool early October morning underway across the region. Here's our fall photo of the day from our friends at Grandfather Mountain. That is actually some of the color and the vegetation below the mile-high swinging bridge up there high atop Grandfather Mountain. All right, look at these numbers from yesterday. 60s and 70s across the region, specifically in the Triad viewing area. It was upper 60s and lower 70s. Greensboro only 69 degrees for that high. That's 6 below the average of 75 at a low of 49 to start off Sunday morning. And there's the temperatures early this morning in the Triad viewing area. Cool stuff. Charlotte hit 73 for the high temperature on Sunday afternoon, a few below the average of 76. Regionally, these 5 a.m. temperatures are cool. How about 34 officially in Boone? Chilly stuff. Really nice morning if you like these cool autumn mornings across the region. Now, here's the weather setup for us. This high pressure is our primary weather player still, and notice even still out at tomorrow afternoon, that's still the main influencing factor in the weather over the eastern seaboard region. But by late week, that high pressure heads out to sea. More of a south and southwesterly flow established again over the Carolinas. That's going to begin to bring in warmer air again. And eventually rain chances, but it's going to take a while. The radar very quiet early this morning across the region. A few showers in the Gulf of Mexico, moving into southeastern Louisiana. Some areas of rain into South Florida. That's not going to play a role in our weather. That's around the periphery of that high I showed you. Now, our next cold front causing some areas of rain from parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin down into Iowa, parts of Nebraska and Kansas too, and on the trailing end of that front, some snow flying in parts of the Rocky Mountain region. But that front is still a long way away from us in terms of both time and distance. It's going to take a while before we have any rain chances. In fact, I don't have any formal rain opportunity until late in the weekend, and probably Monday is when we finally see some rain chances arrive. Monday is in a week from now. Today, looking good across the region. Here's our Monday afternoon high temperatures. Another beautiful weather setup, and the weather Tuesday, tomorrow, looks great as well. There's our Tuesday highs. Notice a subtle warming trend here as we move forward through the week. As we get into Wednesday, still looks good. Wednesday high temperatures shape up like that. We fast forward a couple of days to Friday, and you see that warmer air back in place. There's Friday's highs across the region, and it stays on the warmer side, but not hot, but warmer side of things into the upcoming weekend. Quick look at the tropics, and hey, this is a nice site. We don't have any classified tropical systems in the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, or the Atlantic Ocean. How about that? Still watching this area in the western Caribbean Sea for any signs of development, but that chance is pretty low, and altogether things probably staying pretty quiet for a little while here in the tropics. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day. Enjoy this wonderful weather, and God bless.